So, how are you gonna fix it on exactly?
Screwdriver.
And what else are you gonna use?
It's a screwdriver. What else is it?
Like pliers or something?
Why would you use
Washers?
pliers? No, you don't need that.
You don't need pliers or washers.
No,
So you're just gonna use a screwdriver?
Yes.
Going back home now. Now I'm not saying she can't do it because she's a woman. Oh no. This is a very capable woman. This has nothing to do with that. All I'm saying is that people underestimate what it takes to fix these things.
Whatever. It's so easy.
So we're gonna see if she's got the skill. It ain't got nothing to do with gender, man. Ain't got nothing to do with that. Let's see. Jokes.
Right, we're home now. And what am I going to get if I put a lock on your door?
You get £5.
£5? You can't even get back a crisp out of that.
Okay, I'll add an extra incentive. If you do it, you can also kick me up the bum.
That's not incentive. I don't know what is. You're on.
It's not gonna happen.
Let's
No,
go.
no, it's not gonna happen.
You're gonna lose.
It's not gonna happen.
I have done this before, and I know what I'm doing. Right, we need a fire. You think I'm just a pretty face, isn't it?
Well,
Okay, it's done now. Top one we had to readjust because it was lining up. Now let's see if it works. And I hope you've got your £5 ready.
yeah, whatever. She's done it.
Moolah. Thanks for the £5. Now it's time to kick your butt, boy.
Okay, I'm not gonna get kicked. All right then, guys. Listen, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned to Wagwan.